Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix any issues related to screen rotation on MEIZU mBlu 21. Let's begin. So first we can basically check if we have auto rotation enabled. We can easily do that by expanding Control Center once again, and here you should see auto rotate option. If you don't see this shortcut, you want to click pencil icon and you want to basically add this little panel. Well, let me just simply remove it now. You want to just drag the auto rotate here, so you can fully customize this panel and where it should be, and then you can easily turn on or off auto rotation whenever you need to. And then you simply want to leave, and as you can see, our auto rotate is on, and you can easily enable it or disable it. However, sometimes you still think that it's not working for some reason, and now I want to basically tell you a very easy way to fix that, and it may seem and sound kind of silly, but the best way to fix any issues is to simply reboot the device. And I know it is pretty funny, but it will really help you, since rebooting the phone reboots every single system on your phone as well. Not only the system, not only the software, but also every single hardware, including, for example, gyroscope, which is responsible for screen rotation feature. So having that rebooted will probably fix any issues you might have on your phone. And most importantly, I want to mention that not every single application supports different modes. For example, many games are only fixed in certain modes. The easiest example of this is, for example, Clash Royale, which only works in portrait mode, and even if you would enable auto rotation, you still wouldn't be able to play the Clash Royale in landscape mode. And vice versa with, for example, Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile, etc, etc. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.